say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
Hey guys, we're gonna get started, but before I do, I just want to say congratulations to all the graduates. I am graduating with my Master's of Business Administration. I am so proud of everyone, and yeah, let's just get started. If you're new here, you guys don't know that I have my eyebrows micro shaded in Canada, in Toronto. It's called nano blading. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and do it. It's a great investment. I love my brows, but I like it to be a little sharper, and I'm overdue for a touch-up. So yeah, I'm going to take my Nars concealer in the shade of Sucre. These are the brushes I'm going to use. They're called Zaria from Amazon. I love those brushes so much. It's perfect for beginners because they have like the name of each brush on each brush. It sound like a freaking I don't know, but anyway, so they have the names of each brush on each brush, meaning that like you'll know like which brush you have to use for what. So if you're a beginner with makeup right now, you should definitely get it. It's perfect, great investment. I'll leave a link down below. Let me just say, since this is May is Mental Health Awareness Month, grad school has literally made me question my mental health the whole time I was there. Because you guys, if you guys know, you know, like going to work and having a social life, you really have to like balance work-life balance. And that was one of the things that like I had to master. Like, and I'm just happy that it's over, and I'm happy that I've done it. Anyways, let's move on. So I'm going to take my NYX sharp eyebrow pencil just so I can make some fake eyebrow strokes. I just love the like hyper realistic look that does. I didn't want the ladies to do that with the nano blading when I got my eyebrows done, so this is perfect. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to put that all over my lid because we are going to be doing eyeshadow. You guys know I hate doing eyeshadow, but we're going to be doing eyeshadow today. So I'm just going to cover my lids with that and blend it all out. Yeah. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because my engagement right now, yeah, let's help a girl out, you know. This is y'all gifts to me. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once that's blended, I'm going to take my Juvias Warrior palettes. So this is the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm just going to use a shade that is like closer to my skin tone. So it could be like a nice like transition. I don't want to use, like some people use setting powders for this. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to use a darker brown just so it could give me like a nice gradient. And then I decided to use some tape because I want this wing effect. Like I want this this eyeshadow to be super, super sharp. So I'm just going to take it so it can like become like a stopper for it. So once I take the tape off, it'll be perfect. And then I took this black, I hope you guys are following. Guys, please keep up. So I'm going to take this black eyeshadow just to make like this wing illusion because I don't want to use like liquid, you know, the liquid liner for the wing. And then I'm just going to, you know, put some mascara and put some lashes. And look how nice that look. That looks super nice. I'm going to then use my Milk primer. I love this primer so much. It keeps your face matte. So if you guys like the hydro grip, and you have oily skin or combination, whatever, you want a matte look, this is the primer for you. 10 out of 10. And then I'm going to use the Hydro Prime for under my eyes because I know this area creases a lot. So that will help. I'm going to take my Christian Dior foundation. This is in the shade 6W. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Every time I wear this foundation, you guys, like it literally gives me the best look ever. But on camera, it looks so orange. Like I hate this for me, but this is literally like the best shade. I love how like the glow that it gave me. Like I just love this foundation so much. Like I only wear this when I know that I need my pictures, like when I'm taking professional pictures and I want them to be bomb. And then I went ahead and bought the concealer. This is in the shade 5W, and I'm going to apply that. This is basically my skin tone, so I'm going to apply that as a base, and then I'm going to blend it in with the Too Faced. This is in the shade Maple, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to start off with the outer corner first because I wanted that to blend with my foundation. I don't want it to be blotchy, you know, so I'm going to blend that out, and I'm going to use my contour from LYS, black owned. You guys better go and get it, okay? And for my nose contour, I always use the black radiance one because they're small and easier to manage. I am talking a lot. Like, can you guys tell that I was a communications major? So I'm gonna blend everything out so everything can look smooth and everything. Yeah. So after I blend out my contour, I'm going to blend out my highlight. I'm gonna basically follow the guideline of my eyeshadow too, like, so it could be like an upward motion, so it could give me that lift that I want. And then I'm just gonna you guys should just watch this part. Take your time with this. Don't rush. This is your graduation pictures. Like, you do not want this to be messed up in any way, shape, or form, because this is going to be in your parents' house. This is going to be in your grandparents' house. This is a huge accomplishment, guys, and you want to look your best. So take your time on this. Like, don't rush. So I like to take the residue from my brush that I was using to, like, for my highlight to blend, and I like to put it underneath my contour also, so it could give me this nice draw line effect, and it kind of like eliminates the harsh lines. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my nose contour. I like to take that, this is why I use that eyeshadow shade that I use, so once I use that contour on my nose, it kind of blends it all together. Like, this is a great technique. I'm going to take my Juvias Place blush. I like to use this blush. I'm going to leave the name down below. I don't know it from the top of my head. But I like to use the darker shade and the lighter shade just to give me this Barbie effect. And I'm going to just blend this out in an upward motion, just like I applied my concealer. Some people like to do it circular. I don't, because it doesn't give me the lifted look. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. And look how pretty that looks. Like, that looks so pretty. And then I'm going to take my Makeup by Mario concealer. You guys can use any shade of concealer, but I love the Makeup by Mario one. It's full coverage, and that's what we're going for. And I'm just going to apply a little bit on a corner, the inner corner and the outer corner, and a little bit towards the middle, just so it can bridge that gap. And then I'm going to spray my MAC Fix Spray, just so everything can be melted together. And then I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario brush, and I'm going to blend that baby in, guys. Like, I'm going to blend it in, take it on the side of my nose. If you guys watched my first video, you guys saw that how I contour my nose also, like with my concealer, just so it can give my nose that nice sharp look. So you guys want to make sure you guys take your time and blend it out. After I got every detail that I want with my nose contour and everything, I'm going to take my blending brush and blend everything out. And then I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury. This is their setting powder. Their brightening powder, so I can put to set my concealer into place. I kind of like to set like everywhere that I put the highlight into place, so it could give me the highlighty look that I want. I love a bright under eye. And then I'm going to take the one size setting powder, and I'm going to apply that everywhere else that I use my highlight. And I like to put that over the brightening powder, because this is me setting everything in together. So after I'm done that, I'm just going to, let it sit. I like to do this blowfish method just because I have creases there, so I want that to be gone too. Then I'm going to take my Mario bronzer. I'm going to bronze my face. I like to do it behind the blush placement, upward, of course, to give me the lift. Then I'm going to take my Nars blush. This is the Orgasm blush. I love this blush so much. And then I'm going to place that there. I love to smile, because this is how it's going to come up in your pictures. So you got to make sure you place that in the right placement, lightly, not too much. After I apply mascara and line my lips, I'm going to use the Too Faced Lip Plumper. I love this thing because I don't know if it really makes my lips bigger, but it feels good. So I done took my hair out, y'all, and I'm just going to blend the setting powders together. Look how nice and snatched my face look. Like, the eye makeup, the contour, everything. So you just want to make sure you blend everything out just so it will appear smooth in your pictures. And then I'm going to use my Juvias Place lipstick. I love a nude lip. I love a nude lip. I love a nude lip. And I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty gloss, because not only do I love a nude lip, I love a nude gloss lip. I'm not a matte girl like that when it comes to lips. I'm going to use the same setting spray, the milk one, and I'm going to top it off with the one size one. So I love this one size one because it's perfect. And then boom, there you go. Congratulations, class of 2024 and beyond. This is the face, y'all. It looks so good. Like oh my god, look how gorgeous this look with the cap and gown. And look, you have been promoted. This is so nice. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, babe.